Creating a sales voucher in Tally Prime is an essential task for recording sales transactions when you sell goods or services to your customers. Here is how you can create a sales voucher in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime and select the company you want to work with. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Accounting Vouchers. Select Sales Voucher, often represented by F8 or another key, depending on the keyboard shortcuts configured. Enter the date of the sales transaction. Select the party's ledger. Times choose the ledger of the customer to whom you are making the sale. You can either select an existing ledger or create a new one if it doesn't exist in the ledger master. Enter the item details. Times add the items you are selling by selecting the appropriate inventory or service items. You can also enter the quantity and rate of each item. Tally Prime will automatically calculate the amount based on the quantity and rate you have entered. You can modify this if necessary. Add any narration if needed, providing additional information about the sale. Verify all the details you have entered. Save the voucher by pressing Ctrl+A or using the appropriate Save button. If you're using the inventory features in Tally Prime, the system will update your stock levels based on the items you have sold.